Hello everyone, welcome to W3 Grad's Quick Tech Solutions. In this video, we will learn to iterate over each entry in a Java map. Before we begin, let us understand what is a Java map and what is an entry. Java includes a very robust framework for data storage and manipulation. This framework is known as the collections framework, which consists of interfaces and their concrete implementations in the form of classes. Map is an interface in this Java collections framework which is used to store objects in the form of key-value pairs. This key-value pair is referred to as an entry in the map. Map doesn't allow duplicate values, and neither it maintains the insertion order because each value is associated with a key, and the values can be accessed easily with the help of their corresponding keys. So, let us go ahead and see how we can iterate over each entry in a map. We will open Eclipse IDE, right-click on our package W3 Grads tutorial, then select New and then select Class. After that, we will name the class as MapDemo, then we will check the public static void main method option, and then click on Finish. We will notice that our MapDemo class is created with some automatic generated code. We will get rid of that code. Now, just below the package name, we will start by typing import java.util. Followed by semicolon. The reason we have written this import statement is that we are going to be using the collection classes and interfaces, and they all belong to this java.util package. Now, after adding this import statement, we will now go to the main method, and begin typing map followed by angular brackets. Here, we want to create a map with keys of integer type, and values as string type. So, within the angular brackets, we will type integer, string. Then we will name the map as code country. After that, we will add an equals operator and then type new hash map with a pair of angular brackets, and integer, string within it. Then we will add parentheses and a semicolon. Once we have our map created, we will add entries to it in the form of key-value pair. For that, we will type code country.put, and within the parentheses, we will write 11, USA in double quotes. In the same way, we will add 4 more entries. We will add 44, UK, then 91, India, then 43, Austria, and the last one is 32, Belgium. So, we have our map created. We can simply output the map by typing system.out.println method, and within the parentheses, we can directly pass code country, which is the name of our map. When we will click on the green button at the top to run our program, we will see the entries in a random order where key and value will be displayed with equals operator. We are all set to iterate over the entries in our map. One way of iterating over the entries is by using the iterator interface. For that, we will need to convert this map into a set, because iterator works with those interfaces which inherit the collection interface. And since map interface does not inherit the collection interface, so it does not work with it directly. So, we will convert our map to set. We will type set country set equal to code country.entry set with parentheses and semicolon. In the next line, we will create an iterator by typing iterator iter equal to country set.iterator, and end the statement with a semicolon. After that, we will loop through this set by using a while loop. So, we will write while, and within the parentheses, we will type iter.has next. Then we will put 2 curly braces, and within these curly braces, we will type map.entry followed by angular brackets, and integer, string within these angular brackets. Now, we will give it a name, let's say key value pair, and set it equal to iter.next. Immediately, we will see an error in Eclipse, because of the type mismatch, so we will typecast this iter.next by putting map.entry before it in parentheses. Now, we will notice that our error is removed. In the next line, we will display the key and value separately. So we will type system.out.println, and within the parentheses, we will type key value pair, then put a dot and call getKey method. Then we will type a plus operator and double quotes. Inside the double quotes, we will leave a white space. Then we will again type a plus operator and write key value pair and dot and call the getValue method. Now, we will save the code and run it by clicking on the green button at the top. We will see the keys and their corresponding values, each separated by a space, and each entry on a separate line. So, this is one approach to iterating over each entry in a map. There is another easy approach to iterate over the entries, which is by using the enhanced for loop. So, let's look at that as well. We will use the same map and its entries. However, this time, we will directly type for and then parentheses. Now within the parentheses, we will straightaway write map.entry followed by angular brackets, and integer, string within these angular brackets. Now, we will give it a name, let's say kvpair, and set it equal to code country.entry set.
After that, we will again include curly braces, and within these curly braces, we will type system.out.println, and within the parentheses, we will type key value pair, then put a dot and call getKey method. Then we will type a plus operator and double quotes. Inside the double quotes, we will leave a white space. Then we will again type a plus operator and write key value pair and dot and call the getValue method. Now, we will again save the code, and run it. We will notice the same output as before, which is keys and their corresponding values, each separated by a space, and each entry on a separate line. So, this is another approach of iterating over the map entries. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and understood the concept well. So, keep learning, and I will see you next time. Until then, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you.